Come test drive the 2013 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.